what any other red blood American would do. So you can fight the real fight overseas. And we'll do our part and we'll win.
So what do you think of the Rebecca Black video? Well, what did I think about it? That movie was garbage. Yeah, I have to agree. Rebecca Black Friday, that was stupid. So what do I think? Don't even watch it. Don't even give her the satisfaction. Yeah, I know. Don't even give her the satisfaction. I know. You realize how much hurt she brings along a lot of people? You realize how many of it's sad? No, the worst video, like Get Out of My Dreams Into My Car, or Macarena. Well, yeah, well, Rebecca Black's video, that was the worst video ever. So here's what I say. Disgusting. Don't watch Rebecca Black's video Friday.